Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Calculus problems like this one look intimidating, but we can solve them in 3 quick steps. Let us break down the derivative and find those constants. First, we apply the product rule to f of x. Since f is a product of ax and e to the bx, the derivative becomes a times e to the. For a local extremum at x equals 2, the derivative must be 0. Since a and e to the 2b are non-zero, we solve 1 plus 2b equals 0 to. Finally, substitute b equals -1/2 into the original function. Given f of 1 equals 100, we solve for a to match our target option b right now. Great work! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid misreading the x value by using the product rule and setting the derivative 0.